Welcome back to Finance Drift. By the end of this video, you will have access to a free AI-powered system that helps you analyze any Indian stock. You will be able to perform fundamental research, identify companies' strengths, weaknesses, understand its pros and cons, read research reports, check its valuation and determine whether the stock is fairly valued or overpriced. You will also be able to compare two stocks side by side to decide which one is the better investment. And no, this is not just another prompt, it's a complete system that you will get access to by the end of this video completely free of cost. For this demonstration, we will use Claude. However, you are not limited to using Claude. You can use other AI tools like Cursor, Codex and so on. So let's get straight into the video. So just Google download Claude and click on the first link. If you're on Mac, it will show download for Mac. I'm on Windows, it's showing me download for Windows. I already downloaded. You can click on download. It will take some time to download and install it like installing any other application. After installation is complete, right, you will be presented with a window like this. So you will have to register yourself. I'll click on get started. You can either use Google or use any other email password combination to sign up to Claude. So I'll click on Google and sign in with my Google account and come back. So I have already logged in. This is the screen I'll be presented. You can use this like as I've said like ChatGPT. So what we will be doing, right? We will be building something called as skill. So I'll not go much into the technicals, what is skill and everything. That is not what we are here for. We are here for building a fundamental analyzer for any Indian stock. So to create a skill, right, what you have to do, click on this icon here below. I'll just zoom this in a bit. Yeah, click on this down arrow. You will be having these options. Click on settings. Now click on capabilities. This code execution and file creation, right, that will be enabled by default. If it is not enabled, click on enable and now click on customize here. So you will have one skill, that is a skill creator, that is installed by default. You can use Claude itself to create the skills, but we will not be doing that today. I'll click on this plus icon. We can create a skill here and click on write skill instruction. It will ask for skill name, description and instruction. So I'll name the skill as stock fundamental analyzer. It will not let you enter spaces, so you have to enter hyphens. And description, right? I'll copy it from the Notion page. Don't worry, I have given a link in the description below to this Notion page, so you can go ahead and copy paste this. So I pasted it. The description just tells the AI what is this for, and this is the instructions. Don't worry about this format and everything. Yeah, it might look a bit weird. Don't worry about that. Just copy paste this and click on create. We will walk through this skill after creating it. So I clicked on create. So it has created the skill here, stock fundamental analyzer, and I'll click on this. This will be activated by default. In case you have disabled it, you can go ahead and enable it. So you can see the description you have given here and coming to the instructions, right? So this is the title. This is a fundamental analyzer. So this is a fundamental analysis skill for Indian equities, which are listed in NSE and BSE, which produces evidence-backed views for long-term investors. And we tell it specifically not to give buy, sell or hold calls or price targets. You can pause this video and go through this entire skill, what this does. So a quick glance, right, you can have different modes like a snapshot where you want to get just the summary of that stock, or you want to go deep dive. You can say full analysis or detailed analysis or complete report. Whenever those keywords is matched, right, it will go to that particular mode. And you can ask compare to stocks, let us say Axis Bank versus Kotak Bank. It will give you side by side comparison, and you can say pros and cons or strengths and weakness. Then it will give that of a particular stock. That is the first step. And in the second step, right, it will do a detailed research based on the input you are given. So one disclaimer I have to give, this is a research tool. It is not a recommendation tool, so it will do the research for you, but the decision whether to buy a stock or sell a stock needs to be taken by you itself. It shouldn't be considered as an advisor. When you go back, right, the Claude has already pre-filled the prompt. Hey Claude, I just added the new stock analyzer skill. can you make something nice with it? I'll just remove that. I don't want to use that. So I'll just say summary on, let's say, TCS. I haven't told it to use any skill or anything. Let us see if it figure out. Yes, it has figured out. It will say check fundamental analysis. It is going to the snapshot mode because I've asked summary. It has searched the web already. So if you see, right, it has gone through all these websites like Screener, Grow, Ticker Tape, and so on. And it is summarizing it here. Let's say TCS is India's largest IT services company. It has been there for 57 years. This is the current market price, and this is the health of the company. The 3-year average ROE is strong. This is the growth. These are three things which is working on. AI services generating annualized revenue of $1.8 billion, and some of the warnings or which could affect the TCS stock are structural disruption. Of course, this is common for all the IT services stocks in India, and the returns, it has been underperforming for quite a long now. So this is the overall read. It has strong fundamentals, but it is facing headwinds such as AI-led disruption, and it is giving the sources as well from where it has fetched the data, and it is asking, do you want any detailed report? Also, it is telling it is a fundamental view only, not an investment advice. You have to verify the figures and you have to do your own research before investing. So let us go ahead and ask it to give deep dive. This will take a while because it's a deep dive and it will go through a lot of data. Like if you see here, right, it is researching a lot of things like Infosys, Wipro, all the peers as well, because it has to give the peer comparison as well. So let us wait for that. This will take around 5 to 10 minutes. And if you see here, right, I have selected Sonnet low. You can select medium, high, or max. I'm on a free tier, so if you have a paid tier, then you can go ahead and select a higher effort that will do a deeper research, and you can enable this thinking as well. It will do more research. It is up to you whether you want to go for the free tier or the paid tier. This is not a sponsored video or anything, so it's totally your call. So this free tier will allow you to ask 4 to 5 questions. Then after that, there will be a 4-hour window. You will not be able to ask any further questions. Then after 4 hours, you can ask it again. So if you're doing some serious research about multiple stocks, then you can consider upgrading. So it has finished the research. If you click here, right, it has searched multiple websites multiple times and pulled all the data. And if you see, right, there will be multiple tabs like overview, valuation, growth, health, ownership, and verdict. So let us go to overview. Overview is containing all the history and everything about TCS and what they do, what is their moat, and their revenue mix, what are all the different verticals or different categories of business from which they make money, and what is the highlight from the recent earnings, and what is the top recent news like Anthropic Claude. Again, we are using Claude to demonstrate this, and TCS has done a partnership with Claude AI. And mostly AI related news. And if I click on valuation, it shows the multiple, like what is the sectorial multiple and what is the current TCS multiple. And if you see, the signal is the stock is cheap compared to the history and compared to its 5-year average PE. You can check other valuations like price to book, dividend yield, and everything. So overall classification is fairly to mildly undervalued. And then the growth metrics, you can see how the revenue has grown over the 3-year and the 5-year period. As you can see, right, it is slowing down. Even net profit is steadily slowing. So is the EPS growth. And it also gives how the margin has trended over the years and what is the quarterly revenue. Let us go to the next tab, that is the health tab. Most of the health metrics is doing good, and you can see the ROE and ROCE as well here. And the next tab is ownership. You can see how it has trended. The promoters haven't sold anything, it is stable. FII is decreasing, of course. FIIs have been selling a lot in the recent years, so that is reflecting in TCS stock as well. And domestic investors have been supporting the market, so you will see that trend going up. And there is no pledging from promoters. Of course, TCS is an IT stock which is cash rich. Most of the cash rich stocks you won't see promoter pledging, and whatever we stated earlier, FIIs have been gradually reducing. Then is the verdict. This is the summary. TCS is the most resilient IIT franchisee, and it will list you the strength, exceptional capital returns, that is 51.8% of ROE and 63% of ROCE, and they have got a record pipeline and they have started monetizing the AI. There are two watch points, of course. The first one is AI risk, and then the constant currency growth stall, that is since in INR numbers, you will see it has grown, but as you may know, INR has been depreciating against dollar, and in constant currency terms, that is CC growth. So here it states unless the constant currency growth turns positive in FY27, the valuation case is harder to sustain. That means it might underperform if there is no growth in dollar terms. And here is the quick peer comparison with Infosys, HCL, and Wipro. If you compare to the peers, right, the operating margin of TCS is very good. Few details will not be available. When it is not available, it will show it as any. And on revenue growth, right, it is telling you that TCS is lagging compared to its peers, and in deal pipeline it is leading. So here are the base case and bull case, so you can go through them yourself. And this is the overall quality, strong fundamentals. So Claude is high on confidence about the data. Again, it is historical data, not future. AI cannot predict the future. It can only analyze the history and summarize for you. You can download the file as well, because we have asked for the HTML report. You can click on download here, so it will download to an HTML file. So this will download an HTML file, but this is not as pretty as I would like it to be. I have run a few other stocks as well. So let us say Axis Bank, right? Most of the times it prepares a beautiful report like this. Same things which we have gone through. So I had run for Axis Bank earlier. You can check the overview, valuation metrics, growth metrics, what are all the growth ratio and health. So when it comes to banking, right, you have to see the asset quality, what is the gross NPA, net NPA, what is the provision coverage, and so on. And for every metric, right, it will give you the signal whether it is good or bad. And ownership, you will get it for all the stock. And verdict, you can pause the video and go through that, or you can try it for yourself. Not just research, right? You can compare two stocks as well. So I'll say compare Axis versus Kotak. So it is reading the skill. Now it will fetch data for both the stocks. So it is fetching data for Axis Bank followed by Kotak Bank. You can click on this and see what and all it has fetched. So it has fetched the data, and it's giving you a comparison side by side. So starting with the current market price, then the market cap, what is the 50-week high and low, what is the PE, price to book, all the metrics comparison it is giving. You can pause the video and see, or you can ask the tool yourself. Now it is giving the comparison here where Axis Bank is leading and where Kotak Bank is leading. And what is the fit? It is a neutral read. Both has its pros and cons. So it's up to you. Axis Bank is suiting for investors looking for a larger and more affordable private bank, whereas Kotak Bank suits investors willing to pay a premium for the tighter and high margin franchise. So based on your discretion, you can decide whether to invest or avoid these stocks. So if you want more from this skill, right, you can ask Claude to modify it. So I'll say modify, I'll say slash stock fundamental analyzer to include charts wherever possible. So it is adding chart to different modes like side by side mode. So it is giving you the updated skill, so you can review it and click on save skill. So it will give you a warning should you update it. So I'll click on update and replace. Now let us run the skill, deep dive on, let us say DMart. So it is fetching the data. So it is searching for the data. It knows DMart means Avenue Supermart. We'll wait for that to complete. Okay, in the middle of this session, I have run out of messages. I hit my 5 hour message limit. Next is 3 a.m. I'm not going to wait till then. So what I can do, I can either upgrade or I'll just use another account. I'll just log out and log in there. So finally it has finished running. So when it generates the HTML, right, it will generate like this. So you can click on download and open. It will open in Chrome. So there will be different tabs. One thing about this, right, it will generate different types of HTML or different styles of the web page each time. I just like keeping it that way. If you want, you can tell Claude to save the HTML template so that it generates the same styles each time. It hasn't added the chart properly. It has added one I don't know, something like a progress bar. This run didn't really get all the data in it, so you can run it again and check. So basically you get the idea. If you give more detailed prompt like what kind of charts you're expecting, right, it will add and give it to you. So that's it about this video. Hope you have understood how you can use Claude AI to do fundamental research on Indian stock market. And as I have repeated multiple times, this is not an investment advisor. This is just a research tool which will gather all the data and give different perspectives. So finally, it's your call whether to invest or skip a stock. If you have any questions on this, please do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in another video.